Hey everyone, it's Matt Donaghue with Mission Financial Planners, and this is your weekly update for the week ending, oh my gosh, September 26th. Already, the fourth quarter is almost upon us. Let's jump into it. We're going to start with a little wisdom from Seneca today. And the quote we're going to talk about today is, "Nothing can satisfy greed, but even a small measure satisfies nature." What does that mean? Well, think about your very first paycheck way back in the day. Think about your first apartment, even maybe some of those ramen dinners that once felt like, hey, I'm making it, right? Back then you had less, but you were fine. Today, success makes us think sometimes that we can't live without more. But remember, your actual needs are pretty small. Markets rise, markets fall, but your resilience, it has always been greater than what you might think it is. So, as a perfect example, let's look at the week in review. If we look at markets, new home sales jumped to 800,000, which is up sharply from 664,000. Jobless claims fell to 218,000, showing continued labor market strength. And meanwhile, gold has been the headline story, soaring over 40% year to date, hitting 37.75 an ounce. Central banks and private investors alike are piling in. Keep in mind, gold historically lags stocks and bonds when it comes to long-term return. Looking ahead to this week, all eyes will be on the JOLTS job report and fresh consumer confidence data. These indicators will give us a sense of whether the economy continues to hum along or if cracks are starting to form. For investors, it's a reminder not to anchor to one asset, but to diversify, manage risk, and stay disciplined even when headlines tempt you otherwise. From a tax standpoint, I think for most of us, taxes are not seasonal anymore. They are just year-round. The IRS has rolled out a suite of online tools to make your life easier. Free File lets you e-file essentially for free. Where's My Refund tracks your money in real time. Direct Pay allows safe and simple payments. And tools like the withholding calculator and interactive tax assistant can keep you from being surprised next year. These resources are great, but just remember, nothing replaces working with an advisor who can align your tax strategy with your bigger plan. So remember Seneca's advice. Your needs are smaller than you think. Don't let greed or fear drive your financial decisions. Keep perspective, use the tools available, and plan wisely. For deeper strategies on income, insurance, and investing, check out our book, The 5 Pillars of Financial Freedom, which is available right now on Amazon. And as always, reach out if you'd like help putting these lessons into practice. Thank you again, everyone. Have a great rest of your week, and we will see you next week. Bye-bye.